Want jaw-dropping macro shots without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. We've tested the top close-up filters of 2025, so you can capture stunning details without spending a fortune on a dedicated macro lens. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, these filters can open up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Let's zoom in and see which one is actually worth your money. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which filter you think is best for your style of photography. Your feedback helps the channel grow and lets me know what you want to see next. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. NiSi 77mm Close-Up Lens. Kit NiSi's close-up filter is a real standout in this lineup. Unlike most other filters, it has a noticeably deeper build, which is a result of some pretty advanced optical engineering. Inside, you'll find double optical corrective glass and an apochromatic design. What does that mean for you? It means significantly less color fringing and much sharper, more accurate images. If you've ever been frustrated by those weird color edges in your macro shots, this filter is designed to solve that problem. Now, it's true that the NiSi filter comes at a higher price point compared to most other options on this list. But honestly, the quality justifies the investment, especially if you're serious about your photography and want professional results without the hassle of a dedicated macro lens. Compatibility is another strong point. This filter works with both zoom and prime lenses with focal lengths between 70 and 300 millimeters. It fits 77mm filter threads right out of the box, and NiSi includes adapter rings for 67mm and 72mm lenses. If you have a different lens, NiSi also offers alternative kits for 58mm threads, with 49mm and 52mm adapters, and for 49mm threads, with 62mm and 67mm rings. So chances are there's a NiSi kit that'll work with your setup. One thing that sets NiSi apart is that they don't list a diopter rating like most other brands. Instead, they say you can achieve 1:1 magnification, or even greater depending on your lens. For best results, NiSi recommends shooting at apertures between f2, Hoya HMC Close-Up Lens. Set Hoya is a name that's been trusted by photographers for years, and their HMC close-up filter sets are no exception. These sets are available in sizes from 49mm all the way up to 82mm, so you're almost guaranteed to find one that fits your lens. Each set includes 3 filters, +1, +2, and +4 diopters. This gives you the flexibility to choose just how close you want to get to your subject, or even stack the filters for more dramatic magnification. Hoya's HMC filters are designed to minimize reflections, boost light transmission, and reduce lens flare and ghosting. With over 97% light transmission, you'll get sharp contrast and balanced color in your images, even in challenging lighting conditions. Each set comes in a padded pouch, which is great for keeping your filters safe and making them easy to transport. One tip from Hoya: use the narrowest aperture possible because depth of field gets extremely shallow with close-up filters. This helps keep your macro shots sharp and detailed, so you can really make those tiny subjects pop. Number 3. Vivitar +1, +2, +4, +10. Close-Up Macro Filter Set. If you're just getting started with macro photography and don't want to spend a lot, Vivitar's Close-Up Filter Set is a fantastic entry point. It's available in a wide range of thread sizes, so you can find a kit that fits almost any lens you own. Even if you're a complete beginner, these filters are super easy to attach and use, making them a great way to experiment with close-up shots without a big investment. Now, you won't get the same image quality as you would with a dedicated macro lens or a higher-end filter, but Vivitar's set delivers decent results for the price. The optical quality is basic, but it's perfect for learning and experimenting. Plus, you get a generous 15-year warranty, which is almost unheard of at this price point, and a convenient nylon wallet for safe storage and transport. For newcomers, Vivitar offers an accessible and affordable way to dip your toes into the world of macro photography. If you're curious about close-up shots but not ready to commit to expensive gear, this is a great place to start. Number 4. Polaroid Optics 4-Piece Filter Kit. Set Polaroid's 4-piece close-up filter set is all about versatility and convenience. You get +1, +2, +4, and +10 diopter filters, all packed in a water-resistant nylon carry case that's perfect for photographers on the go. The filters are made from durable aluminum and feature a dual-threaded design so you can stack them for even greater magnification. These multi-coated filters are designed to maximize light transmission, promising true-to-life colors and sharp detail in your macro shots. With a wide range of thread sizes available, they're compatible with most camera lenses. And Polaroid backs this set with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you extra peace of mind. If you want a filter set that's easy to carry, easy to use, and offers plenty of flexibility, the Polaroid kit is a solid choice. It's especially handy for travel or outdoor photography, where you want to keep your gear light but still have options. Number 5. Tiffen Close-Up Lens. Set Tiffen is another trusted name in lens filters, and their close-up set reflects that reputation for quality. The set comes in a stylish leatherette pouch, which adds a premium touch and makes it easy to keep your filters organized and protected. Available in a wide range of thread sizes, the kit includes +1, +2, and +4 diopter filters. While it doesn't offer a +10 option like some competitors, you can easily combine the 3 filters for greater magnification, giving you plenty of flexibility for close-up shots. Despite the high-quality build and thoughtful design, this Tiffen set remains quite affordable, making it a great choice for photographers who want both value and performance. So, which close-up filter is the best? For sharpness, build quality, and overall value, the NiSi 77mm Close-Up Lens Kit takes the crown. If you want pro-level macro on a budget, that's the one to get. Let me know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews and photography tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.